Central question two is, how did the expansion of religious liberty after the Revolution reflect the new American ideal of freedom? Religious pluralism or diversity led to calls for greater religious toleration in the new nation, and that even meant in some areas toleration for Catholics. And if you'll remember, many Americans associated their Americanness with being Protestant, so toleration for Catholics was a big step. Many of the founders, saw religion through the lens of Enlightenment rationalism. And we talked about that in terms of deism before, that idea of a watchmaker God, or a God who created a universe that functions by immutable natural laws. And even though many founders saw religion through a lens of Enlightenment rationalism, they wanted to shield the new nation from conflicts over religious differences. And that led to increasing calls to separate church and state. We see the founders moving in this direction with the example of Thomas Jefferson's Virginia Bill for Establishing Religious Freedom, which he drafted in 1779. And the Virginia Bill for Establishing Religious Freedom is going to become a model for religious liberty. It, one, eliminated religious requirements for voting and for office holding. Two, eliminated government financial support for churches. And three, barred the state from enforcing a particular religion. And ultimately, Jefferson sees this, along with the Declaration of Independence, of course, as his most important work. And it's important to keep in mind that the founders, even those that were very rational like the deists, were not hostile to religion. In fact, they saw it as an important force for encouraging virtue and morality in the new nation.